Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up some of the latest Hot Wheels vehicles from the F-Case assortment. Starting off with one of my favorite new cars, the Bubble-matic. Next, we have the Hot Wheels Flames Custom 53 Chevy. Here we have the new Checkmate 2012 Ford Fiesta. Up next is the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. I really like this new red color of the Bone Shaker. This is the Hot Wheels Hardware Volkswagen T2 pickup. Next is the Holiday Racers 57 Chevy Valentine's car. Take a look at this Daredevil's dirt bike, the HW450F. From the X-Racers series, we have the green High Roller. Up next is the Hot Wheels ride-on model called Fig Rig. We have another Daredevils model, but this one is the Fiat 500. A bright yellow Experimotors car, this one is the Crate Racer. This Hot Wheels Glow Wheels model is called Crescendo. Next is the Blue Daredevils 1970 Chevelle SS wagon. As part of the Hot Wheels Fun Park series, we have the Loopster. Here we have another Hot Wheels vehicle that's not a car, it's the Airplane Mad Props. And our last car for today is the Hot Wheels Glow Wheels model Ollie Rocket. So there we have a bunch of brand new Hot Wheels vehicles from the F-Case. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.